The Proud Jackal and the Mysterious Magical Jungle. In a forest, a jackal named Gillu used to live with his wife Bittu. Gillu Jackal used to be very lazy. Besides being lazy, he was very proud. He and his wife used to share the same nature. All the animals in the jungle were very unhappy with both the husband and wife, and they used to stay away from them. Once it so happened, in the jungle, Brandy Monkey, on the occasion of his birthday, threw a big party for all the animals. But he did not invite Gillu Jackal and his wife Bitty. Gillu was angry and he told his wife Bitty,
Have you noticed, Bitty? Brandy Monkey has invited everyone except both of us.
You are absolutely right. How much could we have eaten in that party? The truth is, he did not want us to be invited in that party.
This is a complete insult to us. I won't tolerate such insults.
So what can you do?
Who cares if Brandy Monkey has not invited us? We shall go to his party without an invitation and eat to our fill. Come with me.
In a while, Gillu Jackal with his wife Bitty reached the party thrown by Brandy Monkey, where all of them were having their favorite food and were dancing away. Gillu Jackal was angry and said,
Brandy Monkey, we didn't like this attitude of yours. Aren't we the couple, the inhabitant of this jungle? You have invited everyone except us. Why?
Knowingly, I haven't invited you because you both husband and wife eat a lot and scatter even more on the ground. You also take home some food without caring for the other guests.
This is a straight insult to me, Brandy Monkey. If I were the king of this jungle, I would have killed you instantly.
You are making castles in the air, Gillu Fox. Gillu Fox, neither you will be the king of this jungle, nor anything will happen as per your wish. Hence, don't even try to touch any plate and go back to your pavilion.
Did you bring me here to be insulted? Will you take me home now or get more insulted? Gillu Jackal walked away in a huff angrily. He, along with his wife, straightway went to the cave of the lion and told him,
My lord, injustice has been inflicted upon me in your kingdom.
What's the matter?
Brandy Monkey has arranged a birthday party for every animal, but didn't invite both of us. And when we reached the party without an invitation, he insulted us and drove us away.
Don't you have this much of sense that one should not go to anyone's party without an invitation? What can I do in this issue?
What are you telling, my lord? You should punish Brandy Monkey.
Rather, I should punish both of you. Every day I receive lots of complaints against you both. You guys are stealing food from others' house and eat. Good many times you have also stolen my prey. Before I get annoyed, get away from here.
Gillu Jackal and Bitty went away from there angrily. On the way, Gillu Jackal told his wife Bitty,
Everyone has his time, Bitty. Don't be anxious. I shall take revenge of my insult from the king of this jungle also.
After a few months, famine struck the jungle. Many of the animals started dying out of hunger. Gillu Jackal and his wife Bitty were sitting under a tree, all hungry for 3-4 days. It was then that a saint came towards them.
What are you doing here under this tree? This is my tree.
It seems you are a learned saint. You can even talk the language of the animals.
Yes, I can speak the languages of all the animal and can understand also.
Gillu Jackal told about the famine that had struck the jungle. He told all that to the saint. The saint took out a ring from his pocket and gave it to Gillu and said,
Take this ring. When you will wear this ring, after my departure, whenever you are wearing it, a mysterious door of the jungle will open for you. Drought never reaches there. That is a mysterious jungle where cooked meat hang on the trees.
Thinking about cooked flesh, Gillu and Bitty's mouth started watering.
But remember, don't take the benefit of the mysterious jungle alone. Help the other animals of the jungle, and even by mistake, don't misuse it. or else you will die definitely.
Saying this, the saint disappeared from there. Gillu Jackal wore that finger ring. As soon as he wore the finger ring, all of a sudden, with a host of colorful rays, a big, beautiful door opened up in front of him. Gillu entered that door with his wife Bitti. The next moment, he with his wife found themselves in a mysterious jungle. There were varieties of food in that jungle. In the trees there, cooked flesh was hanging from each of them.
Have you seen, Bitti? Now this whole jungle is ours. We shall rule this jungle now. Look how the cooked meat is hanging on the trees. What a nice fragrance.
At the foremost, we should both have a grand fill. After having a hearty meal, Bitti told her husband Gillu, "Will you really bring all the jungles of the forest to this place? Will you really help all the other animals?"
Are you mad or what? All of them had insulted me. This is the time for me to take revenge.
You're absolutely right. Both of them gathered a lot of cooked flesh and lots of fruit and brought it to their jungle and started eating them. Seeing them eating such a lot of food, all the animals of the forest collected there, and among them was Brandy Monkey.
From where you have brought these foods?
Heh, all these food are mine. What interest do you have in knowing where from it is brought?
I'm hungry for 5 days. All the leaves on the trees have dried up. Give us some fruit also.
Heh, are you mad or what? All these foods are mine and my wife's. You will get nothing out of it.
Gillu Jackal insulted Brandy Monkey and asked him to leave. He did the same to all the other animals. When the king lion heard this news, he ran towards Gillu Jackal and said,
What is this, Gillu? All the animals of the jungle are in trouble, and instead of helping them, you are driving them away.
O king, when Brandy Monkey has insulted and drove us away from his party, had you asked this question to Brandy Monkey?
Firstly, Brandy Monkey had done anything wrong to you. And even if he had done anything, then also you can't punish all the other animals. All the animals of the jungle are hungry. Give some food to them.
Then Bitti whispered something into the ears of her husband Gillu Jackal. Hearing what his wife had to say, Gillu Jackal told Lion King,
I can help you, O king. Rather, I can arrange food for all the animals of the jungle. So much of food that they can happily consume it for years. But I have a condition.
Condition? What type of condition?
The condition is that you had to declare me the king of the jungle, and you have to stay in this jungle as other common animals.
Are you sane, Gillu? Do you know what does it mean to be a king? Can you rule the jungle as a king?
Presently, you are also unable to do anything for your subjects. So not to talk of tomorrow, better think for today.
Hearing what Gillu Jackal had to say, the Lion King fell into a deep thought and said,
Okay, I can't see my subjects dying like this. I agree to your conditions.
Then you declare first that henceforth I will be the king of the jungle and not you. And further, O king, take out your crown and put it on my hand by your own hand.
Lion King gave up his crown to Gillu Jackal and announced in the jungle that from that day onwards he was no more the king of the forest, but it was Gillu.
I have fulfilled your wish. So now you arrange food for all the animals of my jungle.
Gillu Jackal reached that place where the mysterious door had opened. He wore the ring given to him by the saint. But even after wearing the ring, the door did not open. Gillu Jackal kept on wearing the ring again and again, but nothing was happening. Gillu and his wife were both very nervous now.
You had come here to fool me. Return my crown.
Having said this, the Lion King snatched his crown from the head of the jackal. It was then that the saint appeared again and told Gillu,
I had told you to help all the animals of the jungle. But you had snatched the crown of your jungle and forced your king to declare you the king. Perhaps you had forgotten that I had warned you against a confirmed death for both of you if it will be misused.
Saying this, the saint snatched the ring that he had given to Gillu. Out of anger, Lion King attacked Gillu Jackal and his wife Bitty and killed them.
It was my fault. Lion is always the king of the jungle, so I should have given it to you, and not to this deceitful fox. Take this ring. Whenever you will wear this ring, the door of the mysterious jungle will open. You all the animals of the jungle can eat up to your satisfaction from this mysterious jungle till your jungle become normal.
Saying this, the saint disappeared from there. After that day, all the animals of the forest used to go to that magical forest and have a hearty meal.